You're not getting hired because your resume is outdated. But what if AI could fix that in seconds? Today, I'm going to show you how AI tools like ChatGPT and Rezi.ai can completely rewrite your resume, tailor it to any job, and dramatically boost your chances of landing interviews, all without hiring an expensive career coach or spending hours formatting. Stick around. By the end, you'll have a professional, ATS-friendly resume built with AI, and trust me, hiring managers will notice. Welcome back to my channel. I'm the host. On this channel, I teach you the fastest way to make money with artificial intelligence. In today's video, I will be sharing 2 new tools that use AI to transform your resume from one version to another in minutes. This applies whether you refresh out of school and building your first resume, or you a seasoned professional who needs to refresh their resume for a new job search. First, let's look at why traditional resume advice just doesn't work anymore. Then I'll reveal to AI tools that change everything. First, the bad news. 85% of resumes never get seen by a human. They're filtered out by bots called Applicant Tracking Systems, or ATS. Second, most advice online is outdated and doesn't factor in ATS. For example, including irrelevant keywords or thinking that complex formatting makes you stand out. These tactics actually hurt you and waste your time. Third, writing an effective resume is hard. It's like making a custom cake from scratch. You need to know the right ingredients, how to combine them, and make sure the final product looks amazing and tastes delicious. If any part of this process is off, your resume might end up in the trash. Now for the good news, there are ways to make the process easier and faster while still creating a standout resume. Now, on to the best part, our secret weapons AI tools that can help you craft an amazing resume quickly. Let's start with tool number 1, ChatGPT. OpenAI StatBot is a powerhouse when it comes to generating text, including resumes. Imagine having a personal resume expert by your side, guiding you through the process step by step. That's what ChatGPT brings to the table. Ask ChatGPT to act as a resume expert. Write me a resume for senior marketing manager with 5 years of experience in the tech industry. It will ask clarifying questions like, what are your key skills and accomplishments? After you provide input, it will craft a well-structured resume complete with sections for your summary, experience, education, and more. Plus, it will also help you showcase your skills and achievements in the best possible light. You can even request multiple versions of your resume tailored to different job descriptions. One of the best things about ChatGPT is its ability to rewrite your bullet points using action verbs and results, which are 2 things hiring managers love to see on a resume. It can transform vague statements like responsible for social media marketing into impactful phrases like grew Instagram followers by 25% in 6 months by implementing a new content strategy. See the difference? Your accomplishments speak volumes about your abilities and the value you can bring to an employer. ChatGPT will transform a plain resume into a professional-looking one. Start with a basic template and then ask ChatGPT to fill in the details. And you will see, it will generate a full resume in seconds. The best part, you can even compare the before and after to see the improvements. Now let's talk about tool number 2, Rezi.ai. Unlike ChatGPT, Rezi.ai is specifically designed to help you beat ATS filters and create an optimized resume. To use it, simply upload your existing resume or let it generate one from scratch, and paste a job description. Rezi will optimize your resume for that specific role by matching keywords and phrasing. It's like having a personal resume coach that makes sure you're hitting all the right notes. In addition to optimizing your resume, Rezi also provides valuable insights and suggestions to help you make your resume even better. For example, it will tell you if you have too many or too few skills listed, or if your work experience section is too long. It even gives you tips on how to improve your resume based on the specific requirements of the job you're reapplying for. Rezi.ai scores your resume based on readability, ATS compatibility, and relevance, so you know how optimized your resume is for each category. Let's take a closer look at the dashboard. You can see your resume score, ATS score, relevance score, and readability score. The higher the score, the better. The ATS score shows how well your resume matches the job description, keywords. The relevance score shows how relevant your skills and experience are to the job description. The readability score shows how easy your resume is to read and understand. But wait, there's more. Rezi has a feature called AI keyword targeting. This feature helps you match every resume to every job you apply for. Just copy and paste the job description into the box, and Rezi will extract the keywords and add them to your resume automatically. You can see how well your resume matches the job description, keywords, and you can add more keywords manually if needed. In addition to these features, Rezi also offers a ton of resources to help you write a better resume. They have a blog with articles on everything from how to format your resume to how to tailor it to a specific job. They also have a free resume builder tool that lets you create a professional-looking resume in minutes. Now let's see how to use Rezi to create a standout resume. Once you've created or uploaded your resume, it's time to optimize it for the job you're applying for. Start by copying and pasting the job description into the Rezi dashboard. Rezi will analyze the job description and provide you with a list of keywords to include in your resume. Next, click on AI Keyword Targeting and click Optimize My Resume. Rezi will automatically add the keywords to your resume, and you can see how well your resume matches the job description. Keywords. Finally, click on Download Resume and download your optimized resume. An AI can help you build an amazing resume in minutes. And here's a pro tip. When you have a resume that works really well, don't change it unless you're applying for a job in a completely different field. If you're applying for similar roles within the same industry, stick with the same resume. Next, let's look at tool number 3, Resume. This is the best AI resume builder if you want something that looks amazing, too. You'll start by answering questions about your background and experience. Then Rezi.ai will suggest relevant job titles and descriptions. You can tweak these to fit your situation or leave them as is. Then it's time to build your resume. Choose from dozens of professional templates. Paste in your ChatGPT or Rezi output and export in PDF or share as a link. Here's a quick overview of the features. You can choose from dozens of professional resume templates. You can customize your resume with ease using the drag and drop editor. You can highlight your skills and achievements with visual cues. You can even export your resume in PDF or share it as a link. Now let's see how to create a resume. On Rezi.ai first, click on Create a Resume. Next, choose a template. Click on the template to start editing. Then add your personal information, work experience, education, and skills. You can also add a summary, portfolio, or awards and honors section. Once you're finished editing, click on Save and Export as PDF or Share link. So there you have it, 3 powerful AI tools to help you write a standout resume quickly. Now let me share how I use these tools in my own job search. Recently I used ChatGPT plus Rezi to create a resume for a real job posting. I sent out 5 applications and got to interview calls in 3 days. The recruiter said, "Your resume stood out. It was exactly what we were looking for." That's the power of AI working behind the scenes. Can AI help you get hired? 100% yes. If you use it right, these tools save time, improve quality, and make you stand out from the crowd. Subscribe to the channel for more AI tools that boost your productivity and income. Comment below, what job are you applying for next? I'll help you optimize your resume with AI. Thanks for watching.